Today we have the all-new electric bike, the Komaki SE. Let me give you a quick walk around of the bike. This is how the bike looks from the front. The indicators are halogen. Nice sticker. The DRLs. These are the headlights, which are pure LED. Moving towards the tire. The front tire comes with an alloy. Disc. This is how the side profile looks of the bike. Looks very stylish. The side DRLs, nice cuts. The company has paid a good attention to detail. Moving towards the rear. This is how the bike looks from the rear. The rear indicators are LED. The stop lamp is halogen. The rear wheel also comes with an disc. This is the motor, which is 3000 watts, comes from QS Motors. This is how the bike looks from this angle. Moving to the boot area of the bike, there's no much space, but you can easily fit in your documents. This is the battery, which is of 72.45 volts, and this is one of the additional safety feature. In case if the bike is having a short circuit, it will automatically turn off. Moving towards the additional features of this bike also comes with the keyless function, and let me show you how it works. Currently the bike is off, but once I press this key twice, it will turn on, as you can see. Now moving towards a very cool feature of this bike, that is the Bluetooth connectivity, and I'll show you how you can connect your phone and play some good songs.
Bluetooth mode.
The audio quality of the speakers are really amazing. Now, talking about the range of the bike, it gives 120 to 150 kilometers in a single charge, which is pretty good. It can gain a top speed of up to 80 kilometers per hour, and the on-road price of this bike is Rs 1,35,000 in Goa. Thinking about the conclusion, my personal experience with this bike has been amazing. The performance and the ride quality is really good. Talking about the suspensions, they absorb almost each and every bump. There is a bit of vibration, but if you compare it with a petrol bike, the vibrations are very less. Talking about the features and the specifications, my personal favorite feature is the anti-theft feature of this bike, which works brilliantly well. Let me show you. Now, if you are someone who's looking to buy an electric bike, Komaki SE would be one of them.
We would like to thank Freedom Motors for providing us with the electric bikes for the review.
If you are someone who's looking to purchase an electric bike, then Freedom Motors is one of the best places in Goa. They provide you with good offers and their service is also great. The owner of the showroom is really nice and will guide you perfectly to buy the most suitable bike which you need. Also guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share the video and do subscribe to our channel for more videos.